Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bremen, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a company that can handle the complicated designs of a long-distance relocation. Our reputation precedes us, and with us, you can be sure that you will get to your destination without any problems. To compensate for any damage or loss caused during the move, we provide insurance coverage to all of our clients, ensuring that they get their money should anything happen. We also influence our relationship with the moving authorities around the country to ensure that the move is seamless. This relationship also serves to protect the interest of our clients. If you want to be satisfied at the end of the day, you should come to us because we are willing to go the extra mile to see you satisfied and comfortable. We also make sure that during this relationship, we are reliable, dependable, and trustworthy, and attributes that will keep you coming back to us for more. We have the best local movers in Bremen at our company, and local relocations are easier than long-distance relocations, though this is not to say that you do not have their complexities. Our local moving services are affordable, about $30 to $40 an hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bremen moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.